We're Megan and Anna, and we've been travelling Europe for the last 2.5 years, but due to COVID-19, we decided to pack up our lives in 2 days and move back home with my family.
Yo, yo, yo! Welcome to the TravelKiwi show! Woo! Woohoo! That is a sigh of relief you just heard. So, the most craziest thing has happened. We're kind of both in shock right now. Basically, for the last 2.5 months, we have been waiting to get a visa to go to New Zealand for this one. Obviously, with all of this stuff going on with COVID-19, we know that New Zealand is the best place and we've been trying to get home. It has taken 2.5 months. And yesterday, we finally got the visa. We have waited literally so long for this and we're both in shock right now. We literally have 2 days to pack up our whole entire flat, which you can see is currently a mess. All of the furniture is ours, and we are hopping on a flight on Monday. So the booking has just gone through, and I can't believe it. Confirmed, we are officially all booked and ready to go. So I look half presentable now. We're going to go to the big yellow storage company and go and pick up some boxes so we can start packing up this mess of a flat. We have 2 days, so we better get cracking. From the big yellow storage company, and as you can see, we got our boxes and our tape and we're ready to start packing up this flat. So I want you to meet Mr. Hippo. Now Mr. Hippo is very sentimental to me because he was the first thing that I bought when I came to the UK, and he even has a secret compartment, and I bought it from the charity shop. Ta-da! So you can put like blankets and stuff in him. And of course, we can't leave him behind. So he's the first thing that's going to be going into the box. And also because my mum wants him back at the house. So Mr. Hippo, you're coming with us. Oh, I can't wait. Thank you. Let's go.
Megan, how many beanies does a person need?
So, comment down below if anyone else has this issue. Whenever I go traveling, I like to buy a lot of things like beanies, souvenirs. So I have here, Vulcan, Amsterdam, Huffer, Billabong, Ireland, New Zealand. I don't think I need all of those beanies, right?
No, you don't, that's for sure.
So we're halfway through packing our things, and this whole entire house, flat, this is just the room, is an absolute mess. I think we're going to have to literally ship everything home, right, Anna?
Yeah, because my bag literally not fitting.
So Anna, the time is 11:15. How are we doing?
Well, we're doing well. I feel naked and I need to eat because we haven't eaten very much today. But we got a lot of things done. Thanks to people on Facebook, we got rid of a lot of things. This is going to charity.
This is the state of the apartment still. But it's kind of, I don't know whether you can agree, I'm just eating my dinner. It's kind of an organised mess. So right now, we're doing okay, aren't we, Anna?
Yeah, like, I mean, it is messy, but we know everything, where they are and where they're going, so it's fine.
Good morning, everybody! Today 2 of our moving. We didn't get much sleep last night just because we were being night owls and we were continuing to pack everything. We didn't realise we had so much stuff, to be perfectly honest. Like, you think when you move into a flat, like, oh yeah, I can just pick up my life, but we really can't. We have way too much stuff. But Anna's going to go off to the shops now to grab a few bits and pieces for us. I need to repaint the wall, so I'll see you later.
See you later.
And I'm going to crack on with more moving stuff. I'm going to put the TV in the box today and continue just getting stuff ready for New Zealand. We're getting more and more excited by the day. Dismantled the bed and the room is looking so empty. It's kind of weird, but so we're just going to sleep on the mattress. However, I think I may have just sold the mattress, so we might be spending a few nights on the floor, but it's fine. So I'm just literally dismantling everything now. People are coming to pick it up. Things are going pretty smoothly. It still looks like a mess, but I know it is an organised mess and we will get it done. And you know when a room is empty because I can hear my own voice echoing. Hello! Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's so echoey, it feels so weird in here. You don't realise, like when you take out all your clothes and your bed and everything, you echo and you realise that it's completely different in here. It's kind of cool. It's bear o'clock now. It's 3:15. It's a well-deserved beer. We're getting through things. And now I'm just getting excited. I'm so excited. This room is pretty much completely clear now. I've vacuumed and I've repainted the walls. You wouldn't even know that we've been here. They're going to be really impressed. Cheers. You are in a sea of mess. How's it going?
Not going very well. My bag's completely full and everything is mine is out of the bag still. So we have a big problem here, which I don't know how to solve, but I'll work it out.
It's lunchtime and Anna thinks this is so weird, and she always has, but it's my favourite thing to have. Chips into the sandwich with ham and cheese, or just a chip sandwich. The crunch of it, I just absolutely love it. It's so nice. I love it, Anna.
Can you stop to show off yourself and show people everything that we've done?
Oh, looking at my sandwich, it's got chips in. Anna's final weigh-in for her bag. So we started at 32, we went down to 30, and this is the final weigh-in. Come on then.
Time of the truth.
Hey! So that was 27 kgs. Well done, Anna. High five. Woohoo! You're getting on the plane. Okay, so as you can see, we've had a wee break, and oops, it's beer o'clock again. Now, we have these beers from the Heineken factory, and they're quite special to us because when we went to Amsterdam, we got them engraved with our name. So mine says Meg's Amsterdam 2019, which is when I went there.
And mine's Anna in Europe 2019.
So these are quite special to us, and we've been waiting for a special occasion, and there is nothing more special than us making a move to New Zealand, especially in this time to be with family. So we're going to crack these open and celebrate. It's our last night here.
After 1 year keeping these beers, we're finally gonna have a, and we need to empty to send with us anyway.
Yeah. Ooh, do the honours. Ooh, yeah. I'll see you in a few days.
Cheers to all of us.
Saúde. Tastes like Amsterdam. It's been a long 2 days, but we've done it. We've cleared the flat. All we have to do tomorrow is now get a taxi and get some sleep. We're both knackered, but it's going to be so worth it. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning now, and we need to get up at 6 tomorrow just to finish off a few last pieces, but we've done it. And I'm just excited to get on the plane now. I've got our taxi booked tomorrow for 8, so we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Next time on TravelKiwi, we experience one of the world's toughest border restrictions when flying from the UK to New Zealand during the pandemic.